Himanshu. In my opinion, I think the privatizations of Indian Railway is good because the privatization of India Railways could have could have could have.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Akshat Gupta. Today's topic is uh, Indian Railway
Privatization.
Indian Railway privatization. Uh, my favor it is a bad decision. It is a bad decision for convert to privatization.
I want to ask you, how can you say that it is a bad decision? But I think it generate a better quality services to people. It helps people to exercise the power like very easily. How can you say it's bad decision?
Because uh, it is a bad decision for middle class family not belong to flights flight ticket because it's railway provide to
Cheaper fare.
cheap and fair.
But that at that time there are so many trains are going to on the private era, and service provided by private companies is very well. We have a better example of Vande Bharat. Sorry, better example of Vande Bharat. In this Vande Bharat is luxury train, but in future very private trains are very cheaper and very suitable.
Have you an example or something to say that it is a bad decision about to privatization of in railways? Something related.
Yes, it might be owned by, in future, it might be owned by any foreign country, and they can't know our country needs.
But it's a good sign to our country. If we are involving to others' country, that's a good sign for India.
As you all says, privatization of railways is very bad thing. But what is your opinion about privatization is very simple and very cheapest thing in future, because everything going to private sector, and system of private sector is very tough, and private sector have adopt various things of outer layer of country, because at that time company hired many things like service agents and others. So as far as thing, what do you think about this type of
But
thing?
in present time, the common people, how can they afford their tickets? Because tickets are very higher in price.
As you say, everything is going private in future, but that the topic is about present, that if a person who cannot afford the privatization ticket of a train, what can he do? Just imagine if a person wants to travel from Varanasi to Delhi, and they have two options and they cannot afford rich option, then what he can do? He can take a general train and he can go from here to there.
And privatization make only profit, not giving a good service.
And privatization makes profit only for himself, not for government. If every sector become private, then what about our
How
GDP?
can you see private sector's profit is only for their companies, not for government?
How
Where
can-
the tax?
how
Where the
can-
tax will pay?
The tax will pay to government. Yes, you are right, the tax will pay to government, but there is a little bit amount of tax pay to government. But if everything was government, then every money that will spend.
Government support to privatization. How can you say government have not profit?
Can you give me example whose company?
Which company?
Which company?
अबे ये तो नहीं पढ़ के आते हैं।
क्या बोले कौन सर ये क्या
As our sir वो कौन?
अच्छा.
As you say that privatization is not good for our peoples, but privatization give the jobs to the peoples who in unemployment to become employment. It gives jobs in trains to clean, and it's also improve the status of unemployment.
Yeah, it's give job, but the salary which was given to the employment was very less. But in government job, if a person who is older, then he also take pensions from the government, and they do not want to take any type of tension from for their old life.
What about service in government trains?
Okay, recently you can journey to train first person allotted to just 2 luggage. लेकिन we have suffer in train many luggages, and this
As you going to buy a flight ticket, you have a capacity to weightage of luggage is very 15 kg. Above 15 kg you pay the charge, because airports and all the higher sector, they work in a rule and regulations. Government works in rules, but lower level of ministers and
As far as I think, as you say that every train become private in future, so why not in present? Because government also know if every sector become private, then what about people who cannot afford the private things and cannot pay the charge, cannot pay the amount that privatization trains and any other thing wants.
But we are not saying that all the things are going to private. We are saying that it is a semi-privatization in a future. We can see like government also supporting private companies, and we can see semi-privatization in future.
You mean it is only for rich people?
No, it is not for rich people.
How can
it
middle
is
class
for
afford the-
who can
how
afford
can-
it? Who can afford it? They will get it.
And that's the question. Now, what about poor people?
What about
They
them?
ha-
they- they-
they
So
only
why they have to
general.
travel? If they
Why?
have to travel,
Why
they are general. They are
Acha, then
general.
How
if
they
if
can
they
afford the
if
ticket?
they do not
are
travel.
something to afford for them to afford. They are government who are giving them
But privatization gives you more better services and it improves the condition of your buying tickets, and also you can buy tickets in our home in online tickets you can buy, but before 4 or 7 years ago when privatization is not come, so the people have to go to the station and he waited for a long time to buy a ticket, but when the privatization is come he buy tickets very easily and in the form of online.
That's wrong. We can also buy easily tickets of any train.
no.
Any train.
But this is not
7 and
possible
8 years
before
ago,
7
we can
8 years
not do
ago.
How can be, to 7
But in present time,
but,
we
but
can-
if
we
if,
can.
if it is not possible for 7-8 year ago, then 7-8 before 7-8 years there is no privatization. No train will private.
But when you buy tickets, so many tickets are in a RAC and not fully seat you reserve. You always they always sold.
If any person have RAC seat, the rest amount of ticket will give to him. And if just imagine poor people traveling and they have a RAC seat, then they have right to sit on
But
that
they
seat.
pay
But
more.
if they not afford the ticket price of private train, then what he can do?
But when they pay full money, but he got only half in the seat, so this is not.
So that's the point. That they got half seat. Yes,
But
because
when
they cannot
they
afford the privatization, so that's why he can book the government train and he can get a ticket. At least he can get a ticket from travel here to there. But in privatization, they cannot afford.
But when they got a RAC seat, but they pay full money.
We are going out of the topic. The topic is not about RAC seat. It is about privatization or not.
Privatization gave a more better service than local train.
Example of Vande Bharat train is the ticket is so high and middle class person is not cannot afford this ticket price, and this privatization is सर छीन ले रहा है snatch our person railway jobs or
Comfort of people.
comfort of people. Thanks.
As you all see the movie Sarfira, there is a lot of persons and a lot of company users like GR Gopinath. There are a lot of companies who start up a private things in very short amount. So in future, privatization is a very deep and knowledgeable thing.
We can't compare fictional things to real life.
There is not fictional. They are
There is
generating
real
the
story.
real ideas about today's India. It's not fictional.
Thank you.
की बार बोलिए दोनों साइड से हो जाएगा
So in my conclusion, I want to say that both the sides are good. If we say like government can take a privatization in any railways, it is good for people. It gives a better services. It gives competitive ideas to any other companies. And we can see if we take fully privatization in railways, it is not good for people because some are rich people who can afford and some poor people who cannot afford it. But we are living in a semi-privatization in a world where everything is not fully privatization. It is 50-50 about 50 about government and 50 about private companies. That's all. Thank you.
Clap for her.